Well, hey there, did you recently acquire yourself an awesome electric vehicle? And now you're trying to figure out how to get the most out of it. That's excellent because here are some important tips to charging your EV in the comfort of your own home. Now, perhaps you're considering using that wall charger connection that came with your electric car, right? Well, the challenge with using that wall charger is that the standard outlet really only provides 2 to 3 miles of range for every hour it's plugged in. So naturally, you're wondering, how can I get more range in less time charging my car at home? The solution, if you didn't already know, is level 2 charging. With a level 2 charger, you can charge your electric car from near zero to 100% in about 5 to 8 hours. That's overnight while you sleep. Now, what is a level 2 charger? Well, it's basically just like the kind of outlet you would find on an appliance, such as a dryer or an oven. Now, you might be thinking, how do I get a level 2 charger in my garage or near where I park my car? And quite possibly, you're one of those handy dandies that wants to install it yourself, and you're wondering, how can I just install this level 2 type charging system all by myself? Look, it's great that you are handy and you want to do that, but messing around with electricity is not always the best thing. In fact, it's best to leave that to the pros. Nobody wants to get shocked, and certainly nobody wants to start a fire in their home. Besides, getting it done right and professionally doesn't mean it can't be done easily, quickly, and affordably. So why don't you get in touch with the home EV charging pros right now, and we'll give you a free, fast, reliable quote to help you get your EV charger installed as soon as possible. So look down below for the contact information for us and get in touch. We'll give you a fast quote and make it so easy for you to start charging your car at home.